What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're just gonna do what's on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So as you can see, this is my current home screen setup. So I pretty much just have the Google search widget, so I can immediately click on that and go straight to the internet and search up what I need to search up. Then below that, I have just the regular Samsung clock widget. Then in the middle, I have the regular Samsung calendar widget. I also have three apps on the side. So I have my Facebook app, I have Facebook, my gallery, my Instagram, then my camera app, YouTube Studio, and X. And then coming down here to the bottom, I have four icons. Later on, I may add more, but I have YouTube because I'm always on YouTube, the Google Play Store, my settings app, and then my text messaging app. And I like to keep my phone nice and clean with one page, icons, and so on and so on. So that is why I don't have another page. Now, you may be asking, what wallpaper am I using, or where did I get my wallpaper from, and what icon pack that I'm using. I will show you that in a minute. But this is what my notification panel looks like. I'm currently using the theme park to get this look on my device. I am not running a launcher because Samsung makes it to where you have so many different customizations you can use, and these modules come from GoodLock. So you want to make sure you download GoodLock before you're able to do some of the customizations that I've done. I am using this icon pack called Crayon icon pack. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go download this icon pack for yourself. But that is the icon pack I'm using. And like I said, I'm currently using Theme Park to install the icons. As you can see on Theme Park, there's the icons. I found this wallpaper off of an app called Creative. It's an app to where you can go find wallpaper layouts and home screen setups, and you can match it. So I'll make sure I'll drop a link to this wallpaper, to the app for the wallpaper in the description. But pretty much this is how I'm rocking my uh, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 for right now. I disabled the Google search feed because I have it right here. And if you slide up, this is where a lot of my other apps are that I don't necessarily use on a day-to-day basis, but this gives me quick access to using the apps that I need. I don't want to go over all of them because some of the apps, everybody uses almost the same apps, maybe more, maybe less. But I do have a Google folder. I did not make this folder. When I opened up the phone, it made this folder for me. So it's just called the Google folder. Then if you come over here, I have another folder, which this is pretty much just Samsung apps. And then I have all my other apps that I use on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to make this video to show you my setup of my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And like I said, I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can find the wallpaper and the icon pack that I'm currently using. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.